What is going on, Try Hard fam? You already know we out here about to make another video. Freaking today we gonna be building my boy's freaking 150. You know, he put the 6.3 top in. It's really my old bike. I sold and traded to him. He gave me some cash, gave me some stuff to trade. So he broke the timing chain. I originally broke the timing chain the first time. He fixed it and then broke it again. And that's when we realized it wasn't the right timing chain. It needed a 92 link timing chain instead of the stock timing chain, because it has a 6.5 no, my fault, not 6.5. It has the 3.5 millimeter stroker. So I was watching a video previously. I'm not gonna put the guy in it because obviously I could point him out on it, where he says that you could put a 3 millimeter to a 3.5 millimeter stroker with the stock timing chain, stock everything, and it should work just fine. But I'm guessing probably what he meant is you could use the stock timing chain, but you will have to put the delete, like the how you say it, the timing chain tensioner. You will have to delete that whole timing chain tensioner and put a blockage plate. I think that's what he meant to do, but I really wouldn't want to do it like that. So we went ahead and bought a 92 link timing chain. So that's a build that I'm gonna be doing too, but I'm not doing the 6.3 top end because he actually shaved this block. It's type dark in here, sorry guys, but he shaved this block down to make it fit. But I don't know, I'm planning on doing that same stroker but with a 5.8 slip-on head, because honestly if I wanted the 6.3 I would have just bought the block that was 6.3 instead of shaving it. And then I bought a Tata starter. So he got the Tata starter. Tata is actually out of these starters right now, so I can't even order me one. So yeah, this is his motor now with no timing chain in it yet. So when he get up here, he's gonna be rebuilding this and putting the timing chain in it. But for me, I got my hoagie. Got my hoagie outside, you know what I mean? But her back brakes is squeaking. I'm always on a new hoagie. Don't even be letting you guys know it. I just like VIPs, but you know, they always switch up. So as you can tell, I still got my blue rims, but there's a different back rim. You know what I mean? So but yeah, so I gotta take off that back tire, throw some brake cleaner up there. Hopefully I should stop squeaking and all that ish. Freaking, I want to get a different pipe for this John, because that John's shitty. This John got the 105. It's got a 105 big bore kit. It's got a 150 carburetor. It's got the 150 carb in there with a stock glow air filter for air. You know what I mean? I didn't show this build, but that's because this build did not come out the way I wanted it to come out. Too many problems was happening with this build. So I was like, yeah, I'm not even gonna do it. But I got her running okay. She's still slow, even though she got some lighter roller weights, no clutch springs. But it's probably that big old muffler holding her back. So you know what I mean? I'm gonna take off that muffler. I'm gonna take off that tire. I'm gonna tune y'all right back in while I'm waiting for Scooter Dan and Joe to get off work. Squat. About to get started right now. I just loosened up this top bolt right here real quick. Freaking took off the bottom studs. My boy Joey, you know, he just pulled up, man. Subi gang, bro. Tell him, bro. I got some quarters, bro. Some quarters? Not the buck quarters, folks. He got quarters, like dollar quarters and shit. Well, let me take the rest of this muffler off though. Alright, so I just now pulled off the tire. I ended up having to pull off my little tire guard 2-piece, man, you know. It came off with the little 2 simple 8s though. So there's these little 2/8 screws right here. That came from like right there. You know, one from the fan and one from the side. Little scoop came off. You know, I pulled off my big bolt, only single bolt, didn't come with a washer or anything. But yeah, brake pad is looking dusty. You see that dust on my finger? That's crazy. Yeah, sometimes dusty. Rim look dusty. But this motor's been sitting for a while, I guess. So I'm gonna clean it up with some brake cleaner and stuff real quick. Still didn't even have my cranberry juice and popcorn. I don't know, I got this popcorn from the store while I was over here. I didn't even see, I've never seen this kind of popcorn really. Some King popcorn, M&M's mini. I don't know. I didn't know how to get that good cranberry. Got my brake cleaner. Ran and bought this real quick. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it up, put it back together and show you. Yeah, Sherski Try Hard fam. So yeah, I slapped it all back together and everything. Freaking, I thought I turned on the camera, but I didn't. And it turns out that the brake pads, they weren't stopping for a minute, and then they started stopping, but then it started squeaking again. So I'm guessing that the brake pads may be crystallized, or that back rim is crystallized. Something crystallized, so it's just still squeaking. But I'll show you. I'll show you what it do real quick. Yeah, make sure that key's on. Yeah. Like just doing that, I can hear it still. Oh, yeah, very squeaky. I don't know. Maybe as you use it, it'll stop probably. But yeah, she felt like power real quick. Yeah, that 125 with the carburetor. She got the 150 carburetor with a 105 big bore. And that's not even slamming it back. If you slam it back, I think it was lifting up like. Oof. Look at that, door panel flew open real quick and closed itself. Damn door panel still. Oh yeah, there we go. Back brakes, yes, back brakes. No more squeaking. But now we gotta go fix this door panel. See what I had to keep open. Back brakes work better though, but no tire slides. You know, she said I ain't that good now. Ooh, that's that muffler scrape right there. Ooh. But yeah, so we still over here waiting for Scooter Dan. I guess he don't want his motor to be built. He playing games. But yeah, she's running. Well, she been running, but she stopped squeaking now. After I was just talking trash about it. But she probably starts squeaking again later. But yeah, hopefully Scooter Dan pop up within the next 5 minutes. If not, we'll go for a nice little ride, and I guess I'll just end the vlog from there for the ride. Look at that guy walking in the garage, man. Finally done the ride. Yeah, he pulled up in a Subaru too though, yeah. And this guy arrived too on his little moped. You know what I mean?
Oh, the bagel twist.
Oh, the bagel twist.
Toasted with butter. Put your eye out.
Oh. Oh, so you know that means you about to get to work on that John over there.
Feels like it.
Yeah. That's a gear puller. Yeah. Alright, go fam. Well, not go fam. Try harder. That was hilarious. Nah, I ran out to get this guy some damn freaking tools and stuff right quick. He started working on the engine by his damn self. This guy is a clown. That's crazy.
Nah, I'm just doing a little shit right now. Nah, he brought me the gear puller. I take off the gear and I separate the blocks.
Man, you couldn't let us see none of this, bro. He's got him pulled off the stator, all that, bro.
Yo, can somebody hold this block up?
Yeah, I took off the back tire. This guy, man. Say no, he got this though.
It's just mad heavy duty for no fucking reason.
Yeah, bro. That's that good material, bro. High quality, bro. That's that good stuff right here, man. That shit says OEM, bro.
What? The fucking impact gun word. I
OEM tools,
I was
bro.
looking at that shit too. I was like, this nigga.
All original.
OEM spec.
Facts. Get the job done. Dang, look at that starter, man. I'll give you $20 right now for it. Say that.
Stop capping.
I forgot how much I even paid for that starter.
You paid like $100.
Yeah, some bread.
Y'all niggas be tripping.
Facts. Buy parts, bro, just to get into these fiends, bro. Buy good stuff to give them to these fiends out here.
Not me.
You said not me?
I got it from a fiend, you know? These some scooter fiends. Damn, man, you just stepped on your tool, my gaskets. What else, bro?
Nah, I just kicked it over. Damn, bro. Alright, so I'm put this fan cover on the wheel, you know what I mean? Hold that. Oh wait, I'm not sure I'm ready for this to cut into my hand while you try to impact that.
Oh, trust me, you just gotta hold it really good.
Just move it, don't move. Push the opposite way.
Alright, boom. These hands too big for that, bro. They ain't gonna cut nothing. Say no.
This nigga's big as fuck.
Bro, the last time I remember building this engine, I tightened everything with the gun. So, like, why the fuck is everything so tight?
Because the motor's been ran. Oh, wow, that was smart. Alright. Yeah. Hold this. Next, we're gonna have to get one of those GY6 motor stands.
Literally, the motor stands really come in handy. Oh, this fucking rusty ass ratchet.
We gotta get ratchets too.
Yeah, hold this over here. Somebody come hold this shit. I was like, nope. Bro, you dead ass, bro.
That's just pulling me.
Bro, are you that weak, Antonio?
Yeah.
Never mind, bro.
Oh yeah, I forgot the whole thing come up. Block splitting in my hand, separating already.
Right, you're just separating it, right?
Yeah.
Separate like butter.
I mean, it was just put together a couple weeks ago. Literally.
Facts.
Yeah, Antonio, you clean that one off. Clean this. You gotta let them sit. You gotta let them sit like this on a table and then clean them off. You gotta
clean this one though. That looks good.
Damn, this shit dirty as fuck, nigga. Go
What?
clean them.
That's
around
because the wind is blue and dusted that
Just
probably.
fucking go wash them with the hose. Wash all the fucking oil off. Yo, give me the dowel pins though.
You got pliers? Pull them out.
Why you just pull them on my hand? What the fuck? Let's flip this back over to the side.
No, there's no more.
Oh.
We took them out.
Yeah, why you say dial pins? There's only
Let me flip this over this way so we can freaking pull it out with the gear puller.
I pulled out two, nigga. You're tripping.
Battery stance light. Oh damn, I'm stepping all in fucking oil.
You're stepping all over your impact gun too.
Oh, the impact gun again now. Oil.
Alright, gear puller. Gear puller.
Trying to hold the oil up too. Oil up, trying to hold the oil up, trying to hold the motor up.
Or is you good? This nigga takes forever.
Remember that slides down in between those steering wheels.
My fault specialist.
Yeah, gotta make sure stuff right. Tools don't get broke.
Specialist.
That's how you have put it? Oh, yeah. Oh, the crank. Okay, you got a pistol in here. Get the get
Get some lock. Get it right there. Grab my.
So yeah, I'm gonna hold these with these big bitties right here, you know. Oh yeah, there she goes. Oh yeah, that beautiful. This is a brand new crank still. Oh damn.
Oh my god, yeah, brand new crank. Come on,
damn.
this nigga, bro. You should
As soon as I
know
picked it up,
amount,
that shit is.
This nigga, bro. The gear was
My
gonna hold
fault.
it up there. Look at this shit. Now it's all dirty. Yeah. What the fuck is wrong with you, bro?
Damn. Fucking wash that shit off. Throw some oil on it.
You gotta have to go bring me a new crank, bro. Come on, bro. What the fuck is good with you guys, bro? You guys just
Nigga, you just did that.
No, the fuck I didn't.
What? He did not just do that, guys?
Obviously, baby.
Look at him
You
all
guys just
quiet.
stood there like fucking hold it. What the fuck?
I had just turned back.
I can't do shit.
Nah, I'm not talking about you over there, nigga. Alright, Antonio.
What the fuck you want?
Spray this down too. Just this area right here. Make it nice and clean. Take off all the oil, my friend. Put it on top of the cart and spray it.
Alright, so my guy just not put it in the chain. I wasn't even paying attention. I'm looking at some handlebar grips on my phone and stuff. Crazy. But yeah, he just threw the chain in there quick. He just not putting in the crank. Shoved that in the hole. Yeah.
Fuck it right in the boozy.
This nigga, bro. Yeah, let me just take all the ones out though. So that one.
Everybody go smoke their own joint. Clean that shit real good, the whole fucking thing.
That's what I'm doing.
Everything, bro.
I'm gonna need a razor to cut that.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll cut it afterwards once the blocks assembled. Try that shit really, really fucking good. Really good. You should even post this, bro. You're giving them all the secrets, man. You can't show them none of this. This secrets, man. You gotta go through like what's this guy's name? Rolling Wrench or some shit.
Yeah.
Don't go through me. Don't listen to me.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, it is a guy. Look at him. This guy said he's teaching him all the secrets.
Not even Rolling Wrench knows the shit I know. I'll tell you that much. He's just a over-sponsored asshole. Let's put it that way.
What was your YouTube channel again?
It was like Scooter Dan or some shit like that, but I had to change it. I think I made a new one if I'm not wrong. I gotta check, honestly. I haven't.
Did you see his 232cc build?
Yeah, shit's mad slow.
I didn't even get to see it.
Just like any other build I build, bro. Which is a bigger piston, a bigger mouthhead. Oh my god.
Probably slower.
On a bigger block.
It's probably slower.
Nah, those shits will really touch 90 like nothing. Well, I mean, that's if he built it, right? You need 2 dowel pins, bro? Out of that little pile right there. Oh, come on, bro. What the fuck, nigga? All this power and shit. He said she knows. That guy does not know what he's doing for the life of him.
Put the shit in my eye. Shit, I should. I hate when it does this, bro. Like, bro, you're not even in there. I already get it stuck.
Don't record this, bro. Cause I already told you, the camera's gonna fuck me up, nigga. Just record this shit when it's done.
Alright, guys, man. So you already know the vibes, man. I'm gonna show you the scooter running and stuff, man. Cause I don't want my man's Dan to mess up his build and stuff. But you already know I got the same build coming, but without the 6.3 top end. I'm gonna put the 5.8 top end. So, but it's gonna have the same stroker, just a smaller top end. So it's gonna give it more bottom end power, less top end power. But yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, share the love. Have a blessed day. Easy. All right.
You getting it running tonight, or you just saying? Nah, I'm just putting it all together so tomorrow I can come.
All right, try hard thing. You already see. My boy Dan, we slept it all together and shit. Mainly Dan slept it all together. You know what I mean? Freaking, it's got dark as hell outside. Look at my guy at the helmet. You know he ready to go home and stuff. But yeah, it's dark out this now. Right now, it's probably going on like 9, 10. Something like that, 9 something. We've been sitting here watching Dan fit this joint together, but he finally got together. He gonna put oil in it tomorrow and turn it on, so maybe that'll be for tomorrow's vlog. Ride around, turn this joint on, see how she ripping. But you already know, like I said before, like, comment, subscribe, show the love, have a blessed one. Let's turn it on real quick. Yeah, Sirski, we had to come back real quick. My boy decided to turn that John on real quick. He said he cannot wait till tomorrow. But yeah, she sounded nice real quick though. But yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a new day. So you already know.